So a little quick tip from a mechanic. If you have these lug nuts on your vehicle and it's covered with an aluminum shell and it's starting to look like a mushroom, get them out of there. Because right now I need that's a 20 millimeter and that's a 19 to put the wheel on and off. Come on, focus, focus, focus. There we go. So it's only bad if you're stuck on the side of the road and you only have the tool that comes with the vehicle to get the wheel off, and it's only one size, but not so bad for a mechanic. If you got these things on your vehicle about 100,000 miles and they're starting to look like a mushroom, just get them replaced.